Hi everyone, welcome to the Droidy channel. Today's video will cover calls not ringing on Android phones. Have you ever experienced a situation where your Android device receives calls but doesn't ring? You've turned on your Android phone and found several missed calls, but you haven't heard any ringing sound, and you might even wonder if the speaker is broken. Don't worry, you're not alone in experiencing this issue. To fix your Android phone not ringing, follow my troubleshooting guide. This video covers phone models like Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi, OnePlus, Vivo, Oppo, Sony, LG, and HTC. Why isn't your phone ringing when someone calls? There are many reasons why your Android phone isn't ringing. For example, the phone might be physically damaged, Do Not Disturb or airplane mode might be enabled, the phone might be connected to Bluetooth headphones, the volume might be too low, or there might be malware or a software glitch. These could all cause this problem, but don't panic, you can troubleshoot each one to fix your Android phone not ringing. Now it's time to tell you how to fix calls not ringing on your Android phone. You can try the following steps one by one, and one method will likely help you fix incoming calls not ringing on your Android phone. After completing each method, test your phone to see if it rings for incoming calls. Please be patient and try again. Finally, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, or leave a comment to let us know which method helped you solve the problem. Method 1. Check the volume settings. If your Android phone's volume is too low or muted, the phone not ringing for incoming calls issue may appear. It's possible that you didn't hear the incoming call ringing because the volume is too low, so you need to check if the volume is too low or muted. Simply press the volume up button to increase the volume and turn off the mute function, and the phone doesn't ring issue will be resolved. Method 2. Disable Do Not Disturb mode on your Android phone. When Do Not Disturb mode is enabled on your Android phone, it won't receive incoming calls. To fix the phone not ringing for incoming calls issue, first check to see if Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. To check if Do Not Disturb is on, swipe down from the top of the screen and then swipe down again to open the full action bar. Check if the Do Not Disturb button is on. If so, immediately turn it off. Then, check again to see if the phone calls not ringing issue on your Android phone has resolved. Method 3 is to disable airplane mode. Airplane mode works similarly to Do Not Disturb mode in some ways. When airplane mode is on, your Android phone may not ring during calls. Whether in Do Not Disturb or airplane mode, your Android phone may still experience the situation where the phone is receiving calls but the ringer isn't working. To check if airplane mode is on, swipe down from the top of the screen and then swipe down again to open the full action bar. Check if the airplane mode button is on. If so, immediately turn it off. Your Android phone's incoming calls will return to normal. Method 4 is to check if headphones are connected. If your Android phone is connected to Bluetooth headphones and you're not wearing them, you might mistakenly think your phone isn't ringing when you get a call. To troubleshoot this issue, check whether Bluetooth is turned on and whether a Bluetooth headset is connected. Swipe down from the top of the screen, then swipe down again to open the full action bar. Check to see if the Bluetooth button is turned on. If so, immediately turn it off. Turning off the phone will disconnect the Bluetooth headset, and you can test the call again to see if it rings normally. Method 5 involves enabling call forwarding. Apps like Google Voice and some Android versions use this feature. If your Android phone uses it, your calls won't ring. Therefore, try turning off call forwarding to ensure the calls aren't being forwarded elsewhere. To disable this feature, follow these steps. Using the Samsung phone shown in the screenshot as an example, open the phone app on your phone and tap the three-dot icon in the top right corner to open the menu. Select Settings from the menu. In Settings, find Supplementary Services and tap Call Forwarding again. Ensure all options under call forwarding are turned off. Method 6 involves restarting your device. If your Android phone has a software glitch or a temporary virus, you can resolve it by restarting the device. A software glitch or temporary virus could be interfering with the speaker, causing the I missed calls, but my phone doesn't ring issue. The best way to eliminate software glitches and temporary viruses is to restart your Android device. To restart your Android phone, follow these steps. Press and hold the power button until the restart screen appears. On the restart screen, tap the restart icon. Your phone will restart. Wait patiently for the restart to complete, then make another call to see if your ringtone returns to normal. Method 7 is to reset your device. Resetting your device returns your Android phone to its factory settings. If the I missed calls, but my phone doesn't ring issue is caused by a software issue, resetting it is the ultimate solution. However, resetting will delete all your apps, photos, settings, and data. If you have any data on your Android device, back it up before resetting, otherwise, all data will be lost. To reset your Android phone, first tap Settings, then General Management. On the General Management screen, find the Reset option. Tap Reset, then find and tap Restore Factory Settings. Your Android phone will automatically reboot. Please wait patiently. After the reset process is complete, your phone will reboot and all data will be erased. Finally, follow the on-screen instructions to reset your Android phone. After setup is complete, try making a call again to see if the ringtone rings. Once normal operation is restored, you can transfer your backed up data back to your Android device. Method 8. Contact a qualified technician. If none of the above methods resolve the phone says calling but not ringing issue, your Android phone may have physical damage. For example, a damaged speaker or loose or damaged internal components may be causing silent phone calls. You can contact a qualified technician for further assistance. This concludes today's video. If you found this video helpful and think we did a good job, please like and share it, and let us know in the comments which method helped you resolve the issue. If you think we can improve, please leave your feedback and suggestions in the comments. Thank you. Good luck.